Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to add channel art to your YouTube account on a computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, a YouTube account. So we can now go all the way down to the dock, go to the web browser, which is Safari in this case, go to YouTube Studio using a shortcut on the toolbar, or we can physically search for the website itself. Go to YouTube Studio, make sure you are signed into the account, and then go to Account, Your Channel, Customize Channel, and then Add Channel Art. If you see this on screen, in order to select an item from your online storage, please sign in. Click on Sign In. If this happens, or if nothing happens, there was an error. You need to change the web browser for this part of the video. So I'll go to Google Chrome, sign in, and then take it from there. So now we're on Google Chrome, sign into the account, click on Add Channel Art. You can upload a photo, go to your photos, go to Gallery. For this part of the tutorial, we will be using a photo that YouTube themselves have provided to the average consumer. Click on any photo. Your channel art is going to look a bit different across devices. Here are some examples: desktop, TV, mobile. In the near future, we will be designing our own channel art and then uploading to our website, to YouTube. Select Saved. Now we can go back to Safari, Command R to refresh the page, and now the channel art has changed. We can go to Create a Studio, YouTube Studio, go to Channel, and now we see the new artwork for our channel. If we collapse the menu, quit Safari. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.